In this lecture, we will see thread milling. So click this operation, and here I have this thread milling. So I can use this thread milling in cylindrical holes, and we have this same option in planar milling as well. See this planar thread milling. Both options are the same. So I will start from here, and first I'm going to define a tool. So hole making, browse for the tool, or you can add tool from here. So I'm browsing the tool, and tool is thread milling tool. So click OK, and see, this is the tool. Okay, and again here, see, this is the tool. So I'm going to use this 9.2 tool. Okay, and I will show you 004. Go to this, and 004 is my tool, and see, diameter is 9.2, and neck dia is 7.2, and pitch is 1.75, and the form is metric. So it will create metric thread with 1.75 pitch. So create operation, and my operation is thread milling. Click it, and my tool is this, and OK. Now select the feature. My feature is this. Click. So feature is already machine in the previous. Let's see whether it is machine. No, we are doing this. So go to this and change it to use 3D or none. Okay, so this is the material, and pitch is 1.75, metric, right handed. So all the parameter will, it will detect from the tool. Click OK, and if you want to keep some stock, you can enter here, otherwise just generate it. See, and it is not properly, see, it is breaking. So go to strategy and click this continuous cut. So it will create a continuous tool path. Okay, and go to this verification, and let's see. Okay, this is thread milling, and from here, okay, and again okay. So this is a thread milling operation.